Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to make the text appear one by one in the PowerPoint. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. So I've divided the text into 3 parts and I want each part of this text to appear in the presentation when clicked, just like the title and the image. Okay, the title should appear first, so click on it and go to the Animations tab. Select the entrance effect. If these effects are not enough, then click on the arrow and click on the More Entrance Effects button below. There is much more choice in this window. Click on the effect and immediately see how it works. When the effect is selected, click OK. Next, select the start of the animation by clicking here, and if necessary, we can adjust the duration of the selected effect. And now we do the same with the image and each part of the text. When all the animations are added, let's check what we got. Press F5 and nothing will appear until we click. Click on the leftmost button and all 5 marked parts of the text and the image appear on the slide one after the other. That's what we need. And to edit or change the sequence of text appearance, click Animation pane and a tab with all the added animations appears on the right. If we hold down the leftmost button on any of these animations, then we can drag it to another position, thereby changing the order of text appearance, which is immediately reflected on the slide. And if you right-click on the animation, you can delete it or adjust the conditions for its appearance. And that's it. Now you know more.